Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I got myself a new portable rechargeable tire inflator for my bikes as well as my car because I love topping off my car tires as well as to go biking with a lot of bikes, whether it's for family and friends. So I checked this thing out. I'm going to do some quick tests. This is very accurate in terms of the gauge. Also, it's very awesome because it automatically stops, when it reaches that PSI range that you set it at, which is really cool. Another thing is that it goes up to 150 psi, so if you love riding road bikes, this would be a pretty awesome little pump to have in your trunk. So when you set off before your thing, you could totally pump up your tires. And of course, it has an awesome bright LED light that you could turn on. You have to press that U button for like 3 seconds, and it turns on the light. Now, unboxing this thing, there's also a lot of other fun stuff that comes with, including like accessories and stuff, and we'll go right into it. So the pump itself, not very heavy at all. I think it feels like about a pound or so, but it's very light, and it has like vents all around it. So at the same time, it also has like a carry bag as well as the other accessories. So let's take a look at it really quick. Again, this is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery, there's no rating on the thing, but it charges with USB-C, which is nice, and it powers on by holding it down for like 5 seconds or so. Now, the attachment is a screw-on the top, which is nice. I like the fact that it's a screw-on, and I like the fact that it came with the Strider quick-release valve. Is not the screw-on type. Now, it does take a little bit more space to do that, but to be honest, it's a lot easier to take on and off and without losing that much more air. So the USB-C plug on the thing, just charge it with a wall charger. It's not a big deal. Now, on the when charging it, it takes roughly around 2 hours or so to fully charge this battery. And that's one of the kind of pros and cons. It charges at 5 volts at 2 amps. And when it's low, it basically shows a 1 bar and a low and then turns off. So how many bike tires can you fill? How many car tires can you fill? I basically filled about roughly 8 bike tires from flat to about 60 PSI. And basically I still had enough for about 4 automotive tires to up to about 37 PSI. Now if I just did automotive tires, I think I'll probably get about a good 8 automotive tires with this one charge before it says low and it stops working. So maybe a dozen bike tires if you're on a trip. So it'll be perfect for, let's say, a family outing, or if you're going on a bike trip with a bunch of friends, to fill up all the tires and stuff. So it's pretty cool. The noise is about pretty soft, which is nice. It's not bad, and overall it's a good package. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.